Initial results were promising, and now I want to refine the prompt text, choice of the model and its parameters to figure out what works best. To make it easier, let's create a configuration file for our setup. I will point the config to use our existing prompt text file for now. It is also possible to define the prompt text inline or leverage templating language to build more complex and dynamic prompt structure. Now let's define 4 services to run our prompt on. I want to test newer models like GPT-4 and Claude 1.3 with 2 settings for temperature each, 0.7 and 0. Let's also say that I want to spend no more than 4,000 tokens on each completion. Now let's save the configuration file. We will run it instead of running the prompt directly. This command will run all our configured models in sequence, one by one. I'm also using -L option to log each run with details to analyze later if I need to. This way I will also have all the prompts and completions saved up for reference. Oh, one more thing. After some consideration, I want this boilerplate to be an inline React single-page app, you know? So, GPT-4 with temperature of 0.7 finished in under 3 minutes. The code looks really reasonable, style sheets are inline like I wanted, and the copy is there too. Nice. Now let's give the other guys finish and meanwhile explore the logs. So, we've had only one configured run, and within that run so far, only one model finished, so let's look into logs of that. We have 3 files here: completion, which is a verbatim response from the model, prompt file, which shows exactly the messages we've sent to the model, and run file, which includes the configuration, as well as more detailed model response and elapsed time of the request. By the way, the prompt runner is free and open source. Come and check out our GitHub repo.